Hello everybody. In this video we are going to learn about conversion of units. This conversion of units is important for every class, starting up from junior classes up till the senior classes. So I hope this video will help you a lot. You all might have heard about it many a times, like for example meter. Meter is also there with other unit kilometer, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter, hectometer, decameter. So these are the units kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centi, milli. So we need to know how to convert these units one to another. In this you can see here kilo, hecto, deca, then you have the base unit and then deci, centi, milli. This is the sequence and you all need to learn this by heart with this sequence only. Here for this we have a shortcut to learn. K means king, Henry died, mother did not cry much. So you can see here K for kilo, H for Henry, D for deca. This M is used for meter. Here this is made for meters. D for deci, C for centi, M for much. So this becomes easier to learn the sequence with this shortcut. Here we can use this for any of the units. Say for example M is for meter. Then this will be decameter, this will be hectometer and this will be kilometer. And we have decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. In the same way you can also go for grams. This is the base unit. If the base unit is grams, we will have decagram, hectogram, kilogram, decigram, centigram and milligram. In the same way, the unit can be changed. It could be liters, it could be any other unit. So we need to know how to convert these units. After knowing this sequence, we will see how to convert. Kilo to hecto. If I want to move from left to right, like kilogram to hectogram, I will multiply by 10. If I want to convert hecto to deca, I will again multiply by 10. And how many jumps we are doing? That many times we are going to multiply by 10. So you need to learn, keep on jumping on the right and keep on multiplying. Right means multiply. If I want to convert kilo into deci, so how many jumps are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 jumps means you are to multiply by 10 4 times, which is equal to 10,000. In the same manner, if you want to convert from smaller unit to bigger unit, for example, milli to centi, we are going to divide by 10. In the same way, whatever unit we are changing from smaller to bigger, we are always going to divide by the number of jumps. If I want to convert deci to deca, what I will do? I can see 2 jumps are there, so I will divide by 10 2 times, which is equal to divide by 100. Let us take one example. If I have a question, convert 22 meter to decimeter. In that case, we are to go from base unit to decimeter. We are to jump once over here. One time right side means multiply by 10. So 22 meter multiplied by 10 will give you 220 decimeter. I hope this is clear. Suppose I have another example, that is convert 3 kilometer to centimeter. Now how many jumps on the right side? From kilo I need to go on centi. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 jumps on the right. 5 jumps on the right. And right means multiply. So convert 3 kilometer into centimeter by multiplying by how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the answer is 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Which is equal to 3 lakh. 3 lakh centimeters. Now this is how we are going from bigger unit to smaller unit. Now let's see how to convert smaller unit to bigger unit. Third example, 303 millimeter to meter. So I can say millimeter to base unit, that is meter. So how many jumps on the left? 1, 2, 3 jumps on the left. 3 jumps to left. Left means divide. 3 jumps means 3 zeros. So 303 divided by 1, 2, 3. I will put the decimal. 3 zeros. Count 3 numbers from back and put a decimal. And put a 0 if required. It is 0.303 meters. I hope the concept is clear to everybody. If you still have any query, you can write down in the comment box. We will definitely revert back to you.